Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day, great morning, great night, wherever you are in the world. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and also some demonstration of the 14mm 1.8 G Master. I always needed a wide angle lens, and this came across my attention on YouTube. I don't remember who it was that was talking about it, but this is definitely one thing that I need for my weddings. I'm just gonna get straight into it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do enjoy it, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All right, here we go, guys. All right, so once you open the box, you're greeted with the lens. All right, so I'll put this to the side for 1 second. Let's see what's else is inside the box. Documentation, books, that's about it. There's nothing else in the box, so I'll put it to the side. I'll come over here. Nice little case for the lens. What more can you say? All right, nice branding. Let me open it up. Once you open the case up, when you look inside, let's see what's inside. This looks like a strap of some kind. Yep, it's a strap. Interesting. Okay, I guess it's for the case itself, the pouch. So I can leave that. I don't need that. Put that to the side. And here we are. This is the lens. Beautiful. Love it. All right, so as you can see here, it's the typical G Master quality plastic. Let me open the back right here. You have a metal ring on the outside, and if you look right here, there's actually a cutout for filters, because this is a wide angle lens, and it has the lens front has like a bulb kind of protrusion with the lens. You're not able to put on any filters at the front of the lens. All right, you have your typical click on and off. So this is for when you want to change your aperture. So if I to turn it, you will hear, and if I turn it off, it's nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. All right. So normally when I'm shooting, I leave it on auto. All right. And then you have your AF and your MF switch right here, and your button. You can program this button to almost do anything, but this lens is pretty nice. It's very small, very light. There's not much I can say about the lens. So what I'll do is I'll show a couple samples of what I've used the lens with so far. I didn't have any shoots this week, so when I got the lens, I didn't have anyone to photograph, so I went out and I did some landscape photography by the beach. So I hope you guys enjoy the small samples. Let me know what you guys think in the comment area right there. Like I said before, guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that like button, because it really helps the channel to share this video with anyone else who might be interested in this lens. So like I said, it's the FE 1.8 14mm G Master lens. All right, guys, stay tuned.